In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the ruler in Microsoft Word, a feature that's incredibly useful for aligning text, images, and other elements in your document. It's a quick process that will transform how you engage with Word documents, making your work more precise and visually appealing. Whether you're drafting an essay, preparing a report, or laying out a publication, having the ruler at your fingertips offers control over margins, indents, and the overall layout. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to open Microsoft Word. To do this, begin by locating the Windows Start menu on your computer. You'll find this at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows icon. This is essentially your gateway to finding and launching all the applications installed on your PC. Once you've opened the Start menu, it's time to locate Word. Typing Word into the search bar that appears right above the Start menu button is the quickest way to find it. As you start typing, you'll see suggestions popping up. Look for Microsoft Word among these and click on it. This action initiates the application, and in just a few moments you'll have Word up and running, ready for your command. After Word launches, you'll be greeted with the Word Home screen. Here you can either click on a blank document to start something new, or choose any recent document you've been working on if you wish to add the ruler for an ongoing project. Clicking on either option will take you to the main Word workspace where your document resides. Now, with your document open, it's time to bring the ruler into view. To do this, direct your attention to the very top of the Word window, where you'll find a search box. This is a versatile feature that Microsoft has designed to make finding tools and functionalities within Word easier and quicker. In this search box, type ruler. Typing ruler into the search box is like casting a magic spell. As soon as you do, Word will conjure up the ruler option for you. It's important to note here that you don't need to navigate through menus or remember where Microsoft has tucked away this feature within the ribbon or any of its tabs. The search functionality bypasses all that, bringing the ruler option right to you. By now you should see the ruler displayed at the top and to the left of your document, providing a visual guide that's invaluable for formatting. The horizontal ruler runs across the top of your document, while the vertical ruler runs down the left side. These allow for precise control over layout elements such as margins, tabs, and indents. Here are a couple of additional tips to maximize the usefulness of the ruler in your projects. You can adjust the margins by clicking and dragging on the edges of the ruler. This is handy for when you need to change document margins on the fly without navigating through the layout menus. For setting indents and tabs, click on the section of the ruler where you wish to place your indent or tab stop. This makes organizing your document's text much easier, ensuring alignment and consistency, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've unlocked a powerful tool within Microsoft Word that can make a real difference in the presentation and professionalism of your documents. The ruler is an often overlooked feature that, once discovered, becomes indispensable. Whether you're an experienced Word user or new to the software, familiarizing yourself with tools like the ruler can significantly enhance your document crafting skills. Remember, the key to mastering software like Microsoft Word lies in exploring its features and incorporating them into your regular workflow. The ruler is just the beginning. There's a whole world of functionality within Word waiting to be explored and mastered. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to get the Microsoft Word ruler to appear in your documents. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into what Word has to offer. Happy writing!